MP sa Rajya Sabha kata Sumer Singh Solanki na Indore bat Ushankar Lalwani na ka Jilla Madhya Pradesh kila wan bantiet ya ka jingkhang Chief Secretary ka Sarkar Jilla Meghalaya uba DP Walang IAS hak no phaisngi jong ka arpu khandai tre Jemmang Arja Arpusan ban kelli bat pertau ya ka jingya chakmat ka jingwat ya ki sijur ki nongwan jongok kai perthai ki badai na ketika Jilla ki bala jar ngai na du ka arpulai tre Jemmang Arja Arpusan haki than sora. Kini ki MP Rajya Sabha kila wan ru rengkat ki bahayeng jeng ki sikurem ki bala jar ngai mentala hindrius ngi barga jingkran jeng ki baru Chief Secretary Layadan Langru do DIG Eastern Range u Davis NR Marak IPS USP ke East Khasi Hills District uba Vivek Im. Swakani Menteri Rangba ka Jalla Konrad Kesang ma haba pentep halor ka jigya chikmat ka jingwat ya ki sijur ulaong bala suba bagi te ki sijur kila ya ka skuti harut surak badlechang kejat syaki jakariat. Dak bapentip boleh yok phone call na Menteri Rangba ka Jalla Madhya Pradesh bana office ketenat kampo yeng kari India ki bala kentu ban penkloi ban wat iki tegi sikurem Menteri Rangba loong bagi bor peniat district ki bor pulit ki klamsong thaj ban wat ya kini ki arngon. Kini ki sijur ki bejat ngai ki dew Raja Raghuvanshi bat ka kurem jeng u ka sunam ki badai na Indore bat la yok jing tip bagi la mi hanong riat haka step jong ka arpulai tarik Jemmang Arja Arpusan na ka wei ke Jakasa ka bala tip kum ka Shipara homestay hadin bagi la dep pelut por kum bakat tu kat ni por haka tega than. Ya ka skuti lalap dagi nongsong snong ka sora rim ha ka bagi bor penyat snong gila pentip si ki bor pulit ha ka miet jong ka arpusa tarik Jemmang Arja Arpusan namar ka jing suba ba om dan bakam trayaka. Nakaliang kipulit, ka kinhon na ka Search and Rescue Team, State Disaster Response Force, lem kinong song snong kirang yai beteng banwat ikinig sijur, hagija karyat haar liang kasurok, balap ya katega skuti.
Chief Secretary told that there are so many villages are there, we are searching and SDRF team and other team we have motivated all our level based what we have sources and he also told us that we are doing our level best. If we required, we will do extra support from other state if we required. So till now there is no clue or there is no information about them. So we hope. Let us hope police will do their level best and we will get soon the where are they. Yes, Chief Secretary told that we are doing our level best because tourism is the main focus in Meghalaya here. So we are they are our guests and we will do our level best. They also told that the villages also the tribal village they also cooperating us for this. So let us hope he told me that we are more drone will be provided and dog will search, but there is a skip there landscaping and otherwise the rainy season is there to operation obstacle. So I think let us hope he will come to know what is happened. ये विक्टिम के भाई भी थे और विक्टिम के जो उनकी भाभी थी उनके ब्रदर भी थे वाइफ के ब्रदर बोथ आर हियर और कल भी थे हमारे साथ आज भी हमारे साथ थे. तो उनके मन में जो भी डाउट्स थे और जो भी क्वेरी थी वो हमने कल डीजीपी को भी बताया और आज चीफ सेक्रेटरी को भी हमने उसको लेकर बात की और वहाँ पर एसपी थे उनको भी हमने जो हम हमारे उसमें डाउट्स थे उनको बताया. तो उन्होंने कहा कि वी आर डूइंग आवर लेवल बेस्ट, वी विल ट्राई सून दे विल फाइंड ऑल 7 days. वी आर वरी अबाउट देम. They told more than 100% are in this operation. They are searching and drone is there. We request them that more drone should be there and more dogs should be there so we can come to know what happened there. Yesterday we have phoned them, we have asked the appointment, but today he is not in town, he is in Delhi, secretary told me. So we'll try, we'll contact our chief minister, talk to them and our chief secretary also talk to chief secretary.
How many member delegation from Madhya Pradesh has come?
We are 2 member of parliament here and we are to meet them. What they told, they are doing their level best and we have requested that you employ more search operation people for drone and dogs, so that we come to know the situation. This place is very difficult, and 7 days is gone, so we are worried.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.